and left to die.
Left hand side cannot move?
Yeah, he can move slowly, but he cannot stretch like right side. No?
The story of Vungzagin valte.
He's doing like this.
So he has to do physiotherapy.
Yeah. Every day, physiotherapy.
You will get better soon, sir. You will get better.
Memory lost and paralyzed.
Of course you will get better. You want to go and meet your constituents?
Yeah.
You want to go and meet your people?
Yeah, I want to meet my people.
You will meet your people, sir.
Wounds that will never heal.
You'll be fine, sir. You'll be fine. Sir, you'll be fine. Manipur will get better. It's a beautiful land. Every Indian is with you. Every Indian. Trust me, sir. Every Indian is with you. Okay. God bless you, sir.